Hello and welcome to the course Build Forex Trading Robots in 30 minutes or less. No coding. My name is Menachem Reinschmidt, and during this course I'm going to teach you a step-by-step system which you can develop, test and implement your own trading robots very easily and in a very little effort. This concept is based on a system that I've developed, which I call it GTR, for generic trading robot. The GTR is actually a universal platform for launching trading robots and customize them, define them and configure them exactly to your taste. There is no question about the incentive to learn this course, because today it's a common knowledge that trading Forex automatically is much more profitable than trading Forex manually. So I'll skip the long introductions about the advantages and benefits of trading with robots. This is more than obvious to my taste at this moment of time. Instead of starting with too much of descriptions of how the system works, I'll make the story short and show you a short demonstration of the GTR. How exactly does it work? Okay, my assumption for this course is that you are already familiar with the MetaTrader 4 and the basic menus, functions, and how to operate, how to backtest, and how to real-time trade Forex manually or with robots. What you can see here that I'm implementing a robot which is called GTR 4.1. That's quite an advanced version of the generic trading robot. Now I'm going to run it for a period of 1 month, January this year. More than that it will be too long, but I think that the bottom line, the conclusions that you can draw from even this single month is very clear and quite amazing actually. So let the show begin. Okay, click start and it starts trading. Here are the different trades beginning of January 2016. Now by now maybe you're not very much impressed, but you will be now. I'm going to show you how the graph, the profitability graph, looks like. Here it is. This graph in the Forex trading community would probably consider to be virtually impossible. Too good to be true. Well, maybe, but this is real. This is absolutely real. As you can see, I run this GTR on real historical data from not far away, January this year. Now running this demonstration takes a bit time, so I'll let it run until it reaches the end of January and then we'll return. At this point of time, as you can see, it's January 14th. And the graph looks like this. We started with $40,000 as the basic equity, and here we are almost $44,000. So that's a yield of 10% in something around half a month. Now we are in January 20. As you can see, the graph looks like this. And in terms of yield, we are already in the 44,700, almost $45,000 in 20 days. Okay, now we're in January 26th, and as you can see, from standpoint of profitability, we are over $46,000. So in less than a month, we profited $6,000, which in terms of yield, it's about 15% yield. Now we're approaching the end of the month. We are January 27th by now. We are well over $46,000. And what's even more amazing is how the graph looks like. Let's take a look. Phew! Almost a straight line. Wow! That looks really impossible. Well, at the end of the course, you'll see that not just this is possible, it's real, and you will be able to generate robots that would generate graphs that would look exactly like this. Okay, well, we finished with January. February has already started. We finished January with about $47,000 and change, and the graph looks like this. Well, I'll stop the demonstration at this point. Stop the robot. You see that it continues to profit in February, same way like in January. But I'll stop this run. Oh, and here is the January graph. Again, starting from 40,000, ending close to 48,000, 47,000 and change. This is amazing in any way you look at it. From the graph standpoint, profitability standpoint, and I think that clearly reflects the message that I would like to convey. This is something which has huge potential for you, and I'm going to teach you that step by step during this course. So see you in the next lecture.